So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Okay, so this is Gigabyte officially website. So you can see right hand side, this is for the language, and this is for the model, and this is for the search. So you have to search any, you just click on that. After that, enter your model number A620M DS3H, then hit enter. After, you can see, click on the motherboard. So after that, you have to click on support. After that, select your operating system, which is you require Windows 10 and 11. So no worry about it if you are using Windows 10. So because installations process same. Okay. LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver. Download this one, LAN driver, and click to download. It will start downloading. Then it is done. Just single click to open and double click to exe. Then just ask for yes or no, because this is required the administrator rights to install. So click on yes. After that, you can see this is extracting. It is closed automatically now. So that means this is installed. Required driver is fulfilled. So this is installed means this is closed install. Okay, so close it.